Radio Shack.
Hey guys, time to do another video. Seems like I'm always bouncing back and forth between LEDs and chip amps, but this time I'm looking at LEDs again, and specifically these Radio Shack water resistant LED strips. Not sure of all the colors they come in. I know of course there's red and white, and there might be some other colors. I think I saw blue and even a multicolor one, but I went searching at a Radio Shack that happened to be liquidating or closing, and they had 40 to 70% off. Well, before that I couldn't bring myself to spend $30 on these, but I snagged them for $9. I think that's a good price. I think an actual decent price for these, a good selling point, would be more like $15 or $20, but $30 is a bit expensive. So you know, a lot of Radio Shack stores are remaining open, so if you happen to see these on sale, I would definitely grab them if you can find them for $20 or less. And we'll take a look at them here, see why I think they're pretty decent. Well, here's a close-up of it. I don't know if the camera picks that up, but each LED module has 3 LED die inside of it. So that, makes it really bright. And, each module has its own dropping resistor. So what that does is allow you to hook it up directly to 12 volts. You don't have to worry about a driver or external resistors or anything. And they are, like I say, they are very bright. Put off quite a bit of light. Of course, that's the red one. Here's the white one. Has a nice 4,000 Kelvin color temperature. Has a little demonstrator on the package. And you can see it really lights it up. Of course, this is the red demonstrator I took out of the package. Here's the entire strip. It's almost 40 inches long. It's actually 1 meter. And the strip is encased in the silicone covering. It's supposed to be water resistant, like it says. But a neat thing is you can remove that jacket and cut these down. You can see there's a little scissor symbol on there. You can cut them right down and make several smaller strips, kind of like this. And being that there's 60 LEDs on the long strip, that will give you 20 sections if you cut them down. So you can certainly get a lot of use out of the individual sections, or multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, so on. So that's pretty good. Here's more information on the back. One thing that's interesting, it says LEDs last for over 1,000 hours. Is that all? That's kind of a negative point. It does not come with any sort of power supply. You have to come up with your 12 volt power supply. It says it draws, well, it doesn't. It draws less than equal to 14.4 watts. And they're recommending using a 12 volt DC 1.5 amp power supply. Okay, I have a meter set up with this 12 volt battery, and I'll hook up this red strip. There we go. This one's drawing a little over an amp, and it just lights it up. Very bright. Camera makes it look like it's yellow, but it's Nice pure red color. And here's the other end of it. It has, it's sealed up here to be water resistant, and it has the leads. I'm probably going to take these and cut them down into sections. I want to use them in different projects, like have a solar panel lighting project where I'll use the white ones along with some other higher power LEDs, but these will be nice in areas where I don't need as much light. The red ones, I know I'm going to make like a 9 LED grid, a 3x3 grid, and put it on back of a lawn tractor that I mow lawns with. I help my brother out. He has bad knees, so I mow his lawn, and I mow up near a road that, it's kind of out in the country, and it's people drive 50, 55 on it, and just having a marker light, I think, will help with the safety aspect. So what do I think? Well, if you can find them for around 20 bucks or so, I think it's a good product. 30 bucks is a little steep for me. I mean, if they gave you a power supply with it, that would make more sense. But yeah, 15 to 30 bucks is a better price for these. I think it's a good product. The thing that remains to be seen is how long do they actually last. For that kind of money, I would hope they would last, 10, 20,000 hours. And it's something I'd have to set up and test. It remains to be seen. But that's it. Thanks for watching.